Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a ticket on the Eventbrite app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Eventbrite app. On the button on the second icon, if you tap on it, you can find some events, and if you would like to buy a ticket, just tap on the event, which one would you like to go to, and here you can see it will be on Sunday, November 13, the date, the hour, the duration, and here you can see the price. It's between $0 and $200. If you tap on the tickets on the bottom, here you will see some options. If you would like to subscribe to a monthly virtual series, or if you would like to buy these tickets, let's choose one, 2-hour consult for example. And if you are ready, you choose and everything, which one would you like to, then you have to tap on the bottom on the right side to the checkout in the red box. Then you will have to wait a little bit, and here you have to add your billing information, your name, your ticket, for who will be your ticket, the country, where are you coming from, and how you will pay. Then you have to add your card number, then you have to accept the terms. You have to tap on here, and if you are ready, tap on place order. Then you ordered the ticket and it will be in your emails. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.